stronger word in the world of success is a passion. It's only your passion that will drive you towards the success. When you can touch the height of skies, then what you have a need to live on a ground like hens and cocks. You can touch the height of skies like eagle. Ladies and gentlemen, your motivational speaker Shazad with a wonderful motivation of the day, with a wonderful introduction of a basic term needed for success, that is a passion. Before moving ahead towards my topic, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon, and if you found that my videos are good and informative, then you are requested to spread it within your friends, within your family members, within your hometown, and within your colleagues. You are also requested to put me your suggestion in comment box so that if there is a need of any improvement, any further improvement, I would like to consider your recommendation and I will make my upcoming uploads according to your suggestion. My topic will start from the word why to learn from human only. The nature can give you many more lessons. We can learn from animals, we can learn from birds, and we can know the meaning of success. We can know how success is obtainable from animals, from birds, from even from insects. My today topic will be have a very correlative with a few examples, with a few stories of animals, with the insects and with the birds. The first animal that is a symbol of inspiration for me, and I'm pretty sure that will be inspiration for you as well. That animal is a camel. Camel is called a ship of desert. We had read this word that a camel is a ship of desert. We had never ever seen the same word, the same admiration in the favor of horses. Horses also have a bullet speed. Horses believe on speed. But what horses are lacking over here, that is a passion, that is a determination. I use this word in a joke with my friends, with my colleagues, that a camel can work for a week without drinking, while human can drink for a week without working. You can understand well what was the meaning of this word. This indicates that camel has a much more patience in itself, and the camel, in order to find it's a goal, it's a destination, that's not rush towards his goal, his destination. Camel has a strong determination. Camel has a strong passion in itself. Camel is a symbol of patience, symbol of determination, symbol of motivation, and symbol of inspiration. Whenever you see, you feel that you are not becoming successful in your life, you are having a certain obstacles on your way, whenever you become disappointed, then you just have a need to visit a desert. You will watch over there, you will see over there the camels. You can watch the face of the camel who is bearing the sandstorm, the burning sand, and without water he have to cover 100 miles a day in a desert without water. And this carries on not for one day, it carries on for a week, and without water this animal is surviving over there and wait for its goal and wait for its destination. I believe on this that animals on this earth came before human being. Animal have a existence on this earth before human being, and I firmly believe on this that once human no more on this earth, the animals will still remain on this earth. The next example is of a eagle. If you want to fly like an eagle, you need to leave. You need to say goodbye to the company of hens and cocks. I'd like to put a story. Once upon a time, there was a human who went in a jungle for a hunt. During his tour to the jungle, he could found the eggs of eagle. He bring that eggs to his home, and he was farming for the hens and cocks. He put that egg under the hen, and after a certain while, the baby eagle came out of the egg, and it start brought up with the other chicks, and mindset, the mental pattern of this eagle become like this, that he start considering himself that eagle is a cock, that eagle is only a male hen. He start considering like that, and once this eagle became young, it became old. He could see another eagle was flying over the skies. He asked from the mother hen, he asked that, who is this? He was very inspired with that eagle flying on the sky. He was very inspired with that. He asked from mother hen that, who is this? She told that, you are a cock, you are a hen, and that is an eagle. Eagles used to fly on the skies, while these cocks live on the ground. They can fly very less as compared to the eagle. So that baby eagle lived for his entire life same as of an eagle. He could not bring any change in itself. He spent entire life same as of a hen, and even he died with other chicks once he grown old as of other chicks. It means that there was a no purpose. He forgot about the purpose of his life. That eagle was made for the skies. He forgot about that he have to fly on the heights. So this example gives you a lesson that if you want to fly like other eagles, if you want to fly like the aeroplane, if you want to successes in your life, you should have to leave company of those people who don't have their dreams, who don't have their goals, who don't have destinations, and whose dreams are dead. You need to adopt the company of successful person. You need to adopt the company of those people who are having a big dreams, who have a passion in them, who have a determination, and who have a flame of success, who have a pursuit of success. Ladies and gentlemen, there is another example of this eagle. Once one eagle become old. That eagle was a habitual to fly on the skies. That eagle was a habitual fly on very good heights, and even all the bird could not fly as high as an eagle can fly. When that eagle become old, the sorrowful thing is this, that eagle cannot fly. He used to shift himself to the mountains, and in those mountains he start pulling out his wings and start hitting his beak on the rocks on the mountain, and finally he have to lose his old wings, his beaks. An old eagle, wet with the wounds, wet with the bloods, and with the wounds, lay down on the mountain and hide himself for a certain period, and there is a new beak and new wings start growing, and physical changes start appearing in his physical shapes, in his bodies, and again he get a new wings, new beak, and he start flying as he used to fly when he was a young eagle. So ladies and gentlemen, we need to quit our toxic environment. If you consider yourself, you are not becoming a successful, you had lost all hope of successes in your life, you need to reconsider yourself, you need to reshape yourself, and you need to bring about the new ideas. You need to bring about a new environment in which that will be easier for you to become a successful person. For eagles, what this mother eagle used to do, when mother eagle have a baby eagle from the eggs, what she used to do with these chicks, she, after a few days, when her chicks came out of the eggs, she used to break the boundary of this the eagle nest. And what that female eagle used to do, she used to throw the baby eagle out of the nest so that they may learn how to fly, how to bear the pains of the life. She used to do this, and this continues for a few days, and finally the baby chick starts flying slowly, and once the time comes when they become the king of the skies. The dilemma of our society is this, that the mothers, they are making lazy to their kids, starting from school, starting from age of infancy. What they used to do, the babies of our society, they used to urinate on the bed. The mothers are preparing food for their kids. The mothers are making ready to their kids for the school. They are supporting them. Even once their children come out of the school, they order things like they need a tea, they need a water, they order to their mothers and the parents. But on the contrary side, on other side, what this mother eagle used to do, they give the way to learn, they give the way how to survive in this society. The dilemma of our society, that mothers are making a lazy to this nation. There was my humble request to the mothers of our society that they need to give the way to their kids. They may learn how to survive in their society, how to become a successful. And see, I know that there will be a few painful steps for their kids, even for the parents, but to becoming a successful, paining process is a very fundamental, it's a mandatory, and without paining process you can never succeed in your life. You have a no learning without this paining process. They have to undergo through these paining process. And other example of inspiration for you is this. You can see these aunts, what they used to do, instead of weeping at the time of a severe weather, they used to collect their grains, they used to save the food in a good time. In summers, in entire summer, the aunts used to collect grain. Winter is for 1 or 2 months, they know, but they are saving for a good time, like of a 6 month. They used to save a stock like of a 6 month. And I believe on this, that there are a certain training for these ants. These insects can give us a lesson like this. There are a certain examples from these ants. They give a session, I believe on this. They give a session to their society that take food and bring back. They are serving them with the food and asking them to bring back, to make a good stock. Apart from this, what these ants used to do, if you put your finger, if you put a pen, if you put a rock, if you put a mountain on the way of these ants, they will definitely cross those obstacles, those hurdles, and will reach to their goals. And on another side, what human used to do with the obstacles, with the hurdles, with a few difficulties, they become worried. They start thinking that success is very far away from them and it's lost the hope. The ants are saving, ants are preparing for a bad weather. They are making a preparation in advance. Then my question is this: what we have a need? What a need of our society? What a need of young man of our society, that he is waiting for the last day in order to prepare a presentation. He starts thinking that I will do on the Monday, I will do on first of the next month. And we are putting those things that we need to do it today, we are putting it on tomorrow. A student who is having an exam, he has not started to prepare about 1 year ago. Why he used to wait for last month or last day for a preparation? This is the main reason we are badly failing. We are failing to get goals. We are failing to get our destination. For today, that was it from me. And inshallah, I believe on this, that today examples will work a lot, and that will put you back on the track of success by doing an implementation on a few suggestions, by implementing these good qualities that I had presented. Those animals like as of a camel, as of an eagle, and as of arts that will affect your mind. And if you found that there is a very slight change in you, my humble request to spread my video among your family, among your society.